Hi everyone, I'm Mia, application engineer from Shining 3D. Today we're on the shop floor to demonstrate how FreeScan OMNI, our standalone inspection-ready metrology 3D scanner, handles a full scan-to-inspection workflow on this mold part. In mold manufacturing, checking the cavity's dimension is crucial to ensure final parts meet design specifications. Traditional inspection often involves multiple tools and complex steps. FreeScan OMNI changes that. With preset templates and intuitive interface, frontline staff can simply scan the part and get instant, consistent reports. This on-scanner inspection solution makes quality control both efficient and scalable. Let's get started. First, we scan the global markers on the mold to establish a reliable reference frame for stable tracking. Next, we use the 93-line mode to quickly scan the mold. Fully wireless, OMNI is easy to use even in busy, cable-free shop floors. Once the mesh data is ready, it's time for the game changer. With FreeScan OMNI's integrated PTB-certified Shining 3D Inspect module, everything changes. The inspection runs directly on the scanner. Once approved, tap the View Report button to instantly generate an audit-ready PDF with all key inspection data, clear, traceable, and ready for quality review. And that's how FreeScan OMNI transforms inspection on the production line. No need to move parts to a lab or wait for experts. Frontline teams can now scan and inspect directly on-site with consistent, reliable results. From first scan to final report, everything happens right on the scanner. Inspect on the move with FreeScan OMNI. Thanks for watching and see you next time.